Aloha Stampers. Hi, I'm Cheryl Hamilton, and today I want to show you the technique I'm doing for my February technique classes. It's called the mirror image technique. And what it is that you use one image and you use your Stamparatus to help you stamp the same image facing each other. Okay, so that's what it is. Here's one of the cards that I thought was kind of sweet with two fish. This is one of the host sets that's really cute. And I've used my animal stamp, this two giraffes facing each other. It's sort of a Valentine. And then the one I'm going to demonstrate for you today is these two little squirrels. They are from a stamp set called Special Someone. And just so I don't forget, they're coming out, I think they just came out with them actually, with dies for all the little animals, and they have some really cute ones in this set that you're going to like. So that'll be fun. This is in the new mini catalog, Special Someone. So I'll get started, show you how to do this. Okay. First, I grab my Stamparatus, and I've already got it kind of lined up with the little squirrel. You grab your Stamparatus, and then you get one of these silicone mats, and I've really only used these for when I use my glue gun, and then I set the glue gun down on it and so that it doesn't make a mess, or sometimes I put a big blob of glue on it if I want to add petals and make a flower or something. But I'm going to use it for this technique. So I stick it in the corner there, and let me see. Then I'm going to grab my cardstock. For this one, I used the stitched rectangles for the Night of Navy, and this is very vanilla. So just have to find it. Here it is. So I'm going to stick it in the very corner and put it down with a magnet. And then I'm inking up my first squirrel with Rococo Rose. And if I don't get enough, Stamparatus is so easy to do it over again. Let's see. Nope, that looks really perfect. Okay, so I'm going to clean it off. Just, sorry, I have to think about this. Remove the cardstock. Oh, I remember now. Okay, I'm going to remove this. I'm cleaning it with a, this is the little silicone pads. I've cut it in quarters because it's just easier for me to work with. And I clean it off on here. And I'm going to stamp the other squirrel with Night of Navy. Last time I used soft suede on this one. I just want to try Night of Navy and see if I like it better. So I am stamping this guy again. This time it's going to be stamped. I'm trying to get all the little pieces off. I'm going to stamp it on the silicone mat. There he is. Then I grab the one I just did, turn it over, and put it in the corner. Now be careful you don't scoot it because that's wet. So put it in the corner where you want it. Let it go down. I like to put my magnet up there. And then I'm putting this down to put pressure right where it was. And let's see what it did. I hope it worked. I'm just going to grab it with my picker tool. Oh, look. Isn't that great? So that was really easy. That's basically how it's done. And I'll just put the rest of the card together. I want to clean my silicone mat off. And this guy too, so he's ready for the next Rococo Rose thing. Okay, might as well put my card together now. But that's a fun technique. I hope you guys do it. And if you're watching, please leave me a comment and let me know if this is a new technique for you, or and also I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my videos. I'm just kind of starting out with these, and I think I really could use a lot more subscribers so that people can find me. But I'm just, you know, I'm having fun with it and learning. Isn't that cute? So, okay, how did I do it? I'm using Very Vanilla cardstock, but I'm using the thick one because I like to use the thick one for the card base. Then before I glue that on, I was using this, this is Rococo Rose Scallop Linen Ribbon. And Cocoa Rose is really pretty. It's one of our newest in colors. So when I do this, I like to just use Scotch tape to tape it on the back. I guess you could use like glue dots or something, but this won't come off. It stays really well. And try to get it. Oh, you know what I need really is a snail. Or else it's not gonna, it won't, I want it to look like it's stuck to there a little bit better. There you go, that's better. And then I'll tape this part on the back. I wonder if there's an up and down. Oh, I don't know. I think this way. This paper is called Pressed Petals Designer Series paper. And it's really got some fun images in there. It's in the big catalog, the annual catalog. Okay, so there's that one. I'm gonna take this and pop it up with some dimensionals. You know what? I'm on Maui, and yesterday was really stormy, and like flash flood kind of stormy. It was kind of bad driving home, and this morning I look out and and there's snow on Haleakala, which is so neat. I love that. It's really neat. So I'll try to get a picture later and put it someplace. Anyway, there it is. I'm going to put a very special day, make this into a birthday card. What did I do on this? I can't even remember. A very special day for a very special someone. So let me stamp this on in blue. It's actually Night of Navy. Stamped on that, punched out with Classic Label Punch. If any of you are kind of new at this, you're not going to be able to punch it this way because you can't see what you're doing. So you turn your punch over and slide it in, and then you can get it exactly where you want it. And also some people at classes will punch this out first, but like this, but then you've got to try to get your stamp in this little area. So I wouldn't recommend that. That's hard. Just do the stamping first and it's easy. So you could pop it up, but I'm going to just glue it down to the paper. There it goes. And, oh yeah, darn, I should have done the flower before I did all this stuff. So that's going to be a challenge. I wasn't thinking ahead. So I'm going to get Daffodil Delight, because I've got all these bumps all over. I'm not sure if it's going to work very well, but I'm going to try. And this guy is giving her a flower. I'm going to try to center the flower right there. and make it go in his hand. And it's pretty good because I'm gonna cut one out for that anyway. Okay, so I've got somewhere in here. Here it is. The floor. I got a scrap of Daffodil Delight. I'm gonna use this new punch I got with Celebration. This was free with a $100 order. It's called Small Bloom Punch. And one nice thing for me as a demonstrator is they're gonna carry this stamp on next year when they have a new annual catalog. So I can order it and it won't retire, you know, so that's always kind of a plus. So I'm just bending it up a little bit. I'm gonna add, grab a glue dot. So you just take your glue dots and push it on there and it picks one up. There it is. Can you see it? No. Anyway, there's one on there. I'm just gonna put it to where it goes over that, and then I was going to use some of these. It's always hard. My desk gets so cluttered. These are called Perennial Essence Floral Centers, and these are just little fuzzy, actually they're sort of big, fuzzy dots, and I'm just going to stick one in the middle. Okay, and the inside was kind of cute. I'll try to do it quickly because I know you guys are, you've got things to do. But, where's my stamp set? I didn't even show you. Here's the Special Someone. I love the raccoon. He's really cute. And so I'm using some of the flower stamps also. So I'm going to just do a bunch of random flowers. Okay, and for a very special someone, where's this? Very special day. Oh, see, I did it backwards. Sorry. How about for a very special someone, a very special day? I guess that kind of works. It's a little backwards, but that's what's happening because I wasn't paying attention. And maybe I'll put happy birthday or something on here. They have a happy birthday in there. That would be cute. Yay. Okay, that's it. So thanks again for watching, and I'll try to do these about once a week, and hope you try out this technique because it's really a fun way to use your stamps. And okay, you guys have a great week, and I hope you do some stamping. Okay, bye-bye.